Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by that? I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. I've done this video analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And some updates here need to be made. Not necessarily an update, but probably more so confirmation would be an accurate term. And the main point of confirmation comes in regards to this red line right here at resistance at 18.5 cents, which I've talked about before as a level of resistance. And you go through the history of things, you can see rejected the price. This morning, to give credit where credit's due, so I would call this a weakened level of resistance because, yeah, the price did actually spend quite a bit of time up above that level. The problem is, as far as staying up above it, the price was never able to do that, and the price eventually fell back below it. So therefore, like I said, I would still say that it's a weakened level of resistance, but a level of resistance nonetheless. And then you can see this afternoon, once again, the price, went back to, getting rejected by it. But that also brings about the very interesting dynamic going forward. And that dynamic, revolves around the question, given the price essentially closed right at that area of resistance, it's now a more than valid question to throw out there. Hey, is there going to be some sort of breakout that occurs? And in the event there is a breakout, just how big is any sort of breakout going to be? Now, let me reiterate, and I really wish I could say there was guarantees and that because of these dynamics, there would for sure be a breakout. So I'm not saying there's going to be for sure a breakout, but my point is it's at least a valid, a rational thought to have that, yeah, there very well could be a breakout. So, keeping an eye on that makes a whole lot of sense at this point in time. In the event the price does get the breakout of 18.5 cents, next key overarching level of resistance, keep an eye on. Nothing fancy behind this other than where the party actually stopped earlier today, and that's up there at 19.5 cents. So 18.5 cents, and that's followed by 19.5 cents as levels of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, sure, you still have this area down here at 17 cents. Ideally speaking, you want to see the price now stay up above that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. But really pressing matter right now has nothing to do with levels of support because the price is even close to those levels of support. The price is much closer to potentially breaking these areas of resistance. So yeah, going into tomorrow, let's see if the price can get the breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.